Ready to crochet a little magic? Today, let's take on this stylish crochet hoop earring project together. Whether for everyday wear or a night out, these modern hoop earrings are the perfect handmade statement. With just simple yarn and a crochet hook, you can turn basic materials into chic, wearable art. No complicated tools required, beginners are absolutely welcome. Follow along and crochet your own unique fashion piece. We will use a 2.0mm crochet hook for crocheting. First hoop, blue yarn. Insert your hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 15 stitches. Place a stitch marker in the back loop of the first chain. Remove the marker after completing all 15 chains. Join to form a ring. Chain 2. Work 28 double crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Remove the marker and slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull up a long loop and fasten off. Cut excess yarn and weave in ends neatly at the back. Your first hoop is complete. Chain 15 stitches with white yarn. Thread the chain through the center of the first hoop. Join to form a ring. Chain 2. Work 28 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut yarn and weave in ends. Open the jump ring and attach the hoop to your earring finding. And just like that, your custom crochet hoop earrings are born. Wear them with your favorite outfit and share your creation in the comments. I'd love to see your version. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, save, and subscribe. Your support keeps these designs coming. Next time, we'll unlock more treasure designs. Let's crochet life into poetry together.